अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, खुश होंगे और हमारी दुआ है कि आप हमेशा खुश रहें, हंसते और मुस्कुराते रहें। मेरा नाम है रहमान अनवर
और मैं हूं मोहम्मद
और मैं हूं ज़फ़र इक़बाल।
और आज हम जिस वीडियो पे रिएक्ट करने जा रहे हैं, इस वीडियो का टाइटल है न्यू वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन। तो देखते हैं वीडियो। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। तो देखते हैं।
That's the Vande Bharat today, guys. We're driving to MYSORE. So, guys, we're at the train station in Bangalore. So let's check out the Vande Bharat. We're in the executive class. We only took the highest of the highest. So you guys said we definitely have to check out the Vande Bharat. So that's what we're doing today, guys. How much was it? The tickets? 1,900 rupees, I think. Quite affordable, huh? I think it's okay for first class. So guys, let's check it out.
MYSORE, बहुत प्यारी जगह है।
Yesterday was cricket, so let's go. Guys, here massage stand, hello. But I think we have to go to the train, guys. 10. Just wanted to show you. We drive 10 over 10, guys. Can relax. 2.5-3 hours drive. So let's see how this train looks. Yes, I'm really hyped. Oh, somebody is crossing over there. Why you do this? That's dangerous. Don't do this. Use the path, please. The path is rainbow colored. Here are little shops. So maybe we get some snacks now. Huh?
No.
Let's grab. This is the banana wonton. But I think there's also food on the train. Hey, really? Yeah, I think so. Food included also? I don't know. Let's get some water, guys.
तो सब कुछ उधर मिल जाना है भाई।
Wow, good price. In Germany, the prices are way higher on the
दो बोतलें ली हैं
train stations. Maybe also get one of this, huh? Oh, chai would be amazing, guys, to wake up. It's very early in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think the train station is amazingly big. We just grabbed us some waters, and two nice guys came up to us and said, "Are you the single brothers?" And I said, "No, not the single brothers. We're single brothers." Really funny, but early in the morning, guys. Wow, it's amazing. And the trains look actually really modern. This already
जाल बिछा हुआ है भाई ट्रेन में।
See this? It's the water lake. There's a golf cart driving through here. Isn't that dangerous? Let's see how the Vande Bharat looks, guys. I'm really happy. The train station looks really nice. Look at this building.
आ जाती वंदे भारत।
We grabbed ourselves some cookies because we're still a little bit dead from yesterday's match. We were until 12 at the match and we were awake till 2, and now it's like 8 in the morning. We woke up.
ट्रेन में सब कुछ मिलेगा।
No worries, guys. We're gonna make it. We are actually in executive class today. We're gonna take how the golf cart is coming. I never seen a golf cart at a train station. But we've reserved and booked everything online, so that was quite easy to do. And now we just walked through. There was no ticket control, no nothing. So hopefully everything works out with our tickets. We don't get thrown off the train.
यार ये कैसी इतनी चाय पी?
Guys, we're waiting here.
दूध तो भरा नहीं।
Our Vande Bharat comes. I'm quite excited. I hope there's food also inside. I don't know. Is there food inside? Is there a kitchen, or can you order some stuff? If not, I also got some tomato chips. I have to say I love the chips here in India. So guys, what a nice day. No clouds. Good day to travel. Guys.
ओए ये गाड़ियाँ से ओ आ गई।
Vande Bharat.
ओ आ गई।
लोग वीडियो
मंजिल खुशियों की।
आगे
They drive
देखो।
really slowly inside here. Not speedy. There it comes. Man, why does ours look so fancy? Yeah, it looks really nice. The other trains that were before here were like way
स्पीड तो
older.
नहीं इतनी।
This
वो
looks
खुद रास्ता कर लिया।
really nice.
स्टेशन पर आ गए, अब इधर स्पीड लगानी हो ना।
I think
स्पीड से जाएं दरवाजे
Let
खोल
us know
कर।
how fast these things can go. But look at
टेस्ट करें कौन तेज पैसेंजर है।
रात में
this looks nice.
वाह वाह।
So we going to E2. So let's see how first class looks here in the Vande Bharat. Really Let's enter the train. The left one. Seat number 17, 18. So let's go to Mysore, guys. Everybody calls it Mysore. We always say MYSORE, and nobody know where we want to go. But now we're going to Mysore. How many people fit in this train? We were like 5 minutes of deboarding. So now it's our time. So let's get in.
How much you think to fit in this train? I say 2,000.
I say 700. This looks exactly like the ICE in Deutschland. The interregional big train.
Oh, but spacious.
Yeah.
Like in plane.
Better than plane. Plane is always so small. So we're going to 17 and 16. Wow. Look at the food space.
Guys, look at this. Really nice. For the feet, some rest. And it's really spacious, I have to say. Here we have some place for the luggage. And also the interior looks really nice and fancy.
And look how far back.
And this one is also good for that you can rest the head here. Really, really nice. Here's it explained. Man, first impression good. Let's see if we have some food here now. Legit, guys, it's like in plane. Look at this. It is like in plane. You can even get your table.
तोड़ ना देना.
And then you can legit eat here. Wow, this is actually really nice. Really, really nice. And good AC, it's really like good temperature here inside, not too hot. That's important for me. So, yeah. You can go back with the seats. So this here you can rest your feet on. You can also put it up and then look at this. I can legit lay here. I have so much space, I can completely stretch out my legs. That's amazing, no? I swear in Germany we don't have trains like this model. And this like first class. The first class is not so good, I have to say. I drove many times from Stuttgart to Hamburg, and Stuttgart to Berlin, and it was not so good. Also really good, and I like the food on there. They have a nice restaurant on there, so I hope you have it here also. But from the place itself, you don't have so much space. Or what do you think now?
I actually never drove first class in Germany. This is my first time driving first class train.
Wow.
I only drive regular class, but this is spacious, guys. This is really like a lounge.
The pillow here.
It's like a lounge. Perfect for sleeping.
Oh my god. And it's only 2 hours. Oh, we're already driving. Feels so smooth.
Move.
We're already driving. So let the journey begin, guys. Let's leave Bangalore. We had a really good time here in Bangalore.
Bangalore से जा रहे हैं मैसूर.
And definitely we'll come back. So now it's time for Mysore. And if you have some recommendations for Mysore, what we should see, definitely hit us up in the comments, guys. Oh, we just got some free water, like this one. Serving free water.
To book food, download food on Track mobile app. A mobile app? Yeah, I think you can book it here online.
Wow.
That's classy.
To book food.
To book food, you have to get eating catering. E-catering. Oh, that's
Website बनाई हुई है.
Let's try it now. Let's get some food. Let's see what we can order. We even have here some power outlets. Every kind of.
यहाँ पर नोवा अपना चार्ज करेगा.
From India. Basically, I could also work here right now with the table. It's so convenient, and the price, I have to say, really fair price for what you get.
Guys, you see this? I think you can turn around the seats and make them to a forward seat, or in our case, look to the window. It's so good. But it's crazy. You can just flip it around, and then you can sit with your group or however you like.
रिलैक्स होकर जाना है यार, इतनी तंगी नहीं बनती, फुल्ली चाहे लंबे पे कर जा.
So it's gonna be 2.5 hours train ride. You can see there he's also trying to turn.
ये भाई है होशियारी. ओ नहीं इतना नहीं था ऐसे. हाँ. पीछे वाले ने.
And then you can turn around.
ओह. ये लो. गोरा को भी उंगल आएगी.
कर लो असल में सामने वो आ गया नहीं रुकावट. This is so crazy. My German engineering mind triggers that to the max because it's so smart. can look over the window. That's nice of movie view.
वो इनकी शीशे वाली साइड पर नहीं
But I think it's only on
चलो भी हो गया काम
माला
This is food all that I paid. I was
पछता रहे उन्हें बाहर ऐसे पैसे भरे हैं ना
नहीं
बाहर से पानी लिया आगे यूज कर लें
no food, but can we buy here train? Because online it's not working. I tried e-booking, but it did not work.
Can we buy food? Buy food?
No food after. Because
Or we should have
catering
advance.
not working. Can't book.
I'm gonna get some food for 150 rupees. Oh yeah, thank you, sir. That looks amazing. We got the first little snack dinner, and the guy next to us helped us to organize it, and he said that this train is very modern and it's not the usual Bharat. So
महाराजा
yeah, we're lucky, I think. So we got here some cleaner and some hand sanitizer. That's really nice for hygiene. And then we got some Tropica apple juice, really good. And we have here some little snacks. Here, peanut chicky, really nice. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Huh?
150 में इतनी चीजें
Potato snack.
Oh, but it smells really nice. I think it's also
Perfect for breakfast.
We didn't eat anything, guys. We had to wake up so early.
A chai would be also amazing now.
Oh yeah, this with corn, this is nice.
Enjoy, no, enjoy.
नहीं बुक किया खाना आप
हाँ अभी मंगवाया
And
तो वो देते नहीं
and sometimes in life
टिकट में नहीं करवाया होगा ना तो वो भाई ऐसे होता है अच्छा अच्छा
And we're now getting some hot water, I think.
So the service is really nice here on board.
मसाला चाय
And these things were actually kind of nice, I have to say. A little bit peppery. Good. There's ginger, cinnamon, pepper. What's this?
ये
Peppermint.
ठीक है पैकिंग में हर चीज़
A lot of spices, as always.
चाय खुद बनाओ
As you can see,
हाथ की कर खाओ
also
Bilkul.
here on the cup.
Everything is railway themed. The whole outlet, even the water bottles. So now we're gonna drink our chai. I never saw instant chai. I only know instant coffee. But let's try this one here. Do you put the whole package? Because it's actually very much powder. You see this? I hope it's not too sweet, but I think it's gonna be good.
बस कर दे भाई रोक ली
Let's try the instant chai. I don't think it will compete with the street chai we always have normally, but nice. On a train, our hotel has a good chai really every morning.
वो स्लो जा रही है
As
नहीं स्लो
normally
की
you
तरफ
do
जा
e-catering, so you can
वो अंदर
reserve
बैठे
food
ऐसे
online and choose what you want. But unfortunately, it didn't work for me. I think maybe it was the German phone number, because it always came to error message when I tried on the government site. But it's not a matter because we got it now even in cash.
नोवा को नहीं
It's
था
really quite nice. It's 150 rupees on the expensive side for little breakfast. But guys, we are on a train. I think it's good for the service and bring it to you right away. I mean, without it, we would have starving and then I would have started eating more. But now we're eating this and now we're gonna sip our first instant chai in our whole life. It smells good. I have to say. I have to wait. Wow, it actually tastes like milk. I think there's a lot of
मोशी
milk
भाई
powder in
जैसा
it.
कोई रिएक्शन
Because it
नहीं
now
दे
really tastes like just a normal milk chai. But I have to say, quite a bit better than
वो
instant
मुंह
coffee.
में रिएक्शन दे लेते हैं वो चीज़ मुंह में ही होती है
Instant coffee is the worst. Everybody who drinks instant coffee, shame on you. Guys, we now are living outside
now speed
in the
पकड़ी।
outback, I think, and there are really nice palm trees, and
Slow
it's
down.
very green here. It reminds me a little bit of Kerala, I have to say. And there are a lot of cows, and really, I have to say, nice views here. You see the palms, and we have a nice talk with our neighbor to the next seat. He told us a lot about India. Really wise man and really good, and he gave us much information, and
it's good to get some feedback from what you think from a guy who has real experience and is a little bit older. Guys, we continue our trip, and there's so nice trees and so nice nature. I really have to say I'm looking forward to that in Mysore. And the guys recommended us some places, so that's really nice. Oh, look at those palm trees. Really nice. I'm getting feeling like Kerala or Goa.
केरला
So I'm also
ये केरला गए हुए नहीं
in Goa.
दोनों
So now how long we drive?
इस दफा जाएंगे
मैसूर से आगे या पीछे
We had a really nice tip in Mysore. There's a tiger reserve, 2 hours from Mysore in fact. Yeah. So finally Bengal tiger, man. Is it Bengal? I think it's Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger. Okay, guys. So guys, we're gonna update you when we arrive.
And it's really smooth
रगड़
sailing.
कर चीजें खा
On
गए
the way, and you don't even realize that you're
डकार भी
driving.
नहीं
So
मारा
chill. It's like really a lounge seat, and it's really good train. I have to say, also the tracks, you don't have bumps, you
Good
don't have
train. Well,
anything.
we've been in so many countries on trains. This is the best train so far. By far. I really have to say, guys, no joke. We've been in so many trains, metros, buses, you name it. This is the best experience when it comes to trains.
I would really go for a long-term ride, so I think we're gonna
12 hours.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go for that, or also sleeping coach. I saw that it's also available on some trains, so we're gonna see to which destination we go next after Mysore, and then we go to a long train ride. Okay, guys, we arrived in Mysore finally, but it was a really nice ride. 2.5 hours went by so quickly.
So pleasant. Guys are so relaxed. I thought like this will be not so nice trip, but it was an amazing trip. 10 out of 10. So now we have to get the taxi, I think. I love Mysore. Let's see if this will continue, but I think so too. First impression is good. Weather is amazing.
वेलकम टू मैसूर माय सिटी। तो
मैं सासुर के पास आ गया
हाँ राक्षस। लेकिन ये कि यार एक काफ़ी उनकी अच्छी जर्नी होती है, जो भी उनका एक व्लॉग देखते हैं ना काफ़ी एक अच्छा फील होता है देख कर। लेकिन आज का भी उनका एक व्लॉग बेस्ट था, क्योंकि अभी तो वो इनोवा है जो छोटा लड़का है इसके साथ, मुझे लगता है वो भी ऐसे ही ना अभी नींद से ही उठ कर आया है सोहेल की तरह, इधर आकर बैठ गया।
नोवा उसका नाम है, नोवा और बगोरा नहीं, नोवा और वो दूसरे का क्या नाम है
वो बस है, वो पूछ लेंगे ना बाद में। लेकिन यार उनकी एक जर्नी बेस्ट थी। आकर एक वंदे भारत की जो भी जर्नी देखते हैं ना वो एक अलग ही होती है। और ये जो वंदे भारत है ये बिल्कुल एक मुझे लगता है नहीं चली, क्योंकि जो एक रेड सीट है ना या ये इनकी अभी मुझे लगता है अभी चली।
नहीं वाकई यार काफ़ी ना एक उन्होंने एंजॉय किया वंदे भारत का, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम था उनका, पहले भी वो इंडिया में आए थे, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे लगता है कि वंदे भारत का एक रिव्यू समझ ले या एक उसमें एक सफ़र नहीं किया। लेकिन इस दफ़ा मुझे लगता है कि भाई वो एक खुली छुट्टी लेकर आए हैं, क्योंकि उनका बहुत बड़ा आगे भी एक प्लान है जाने का, एक सारे इलाके फिरेंगे, जैसे कि केरला का बोल रहे हैं, उधर भी जाएंगे। लेकिन सबसे जो बड़ी बात है ना एक एक्सपीरियंस करना होता है, और वो ये ज़रूर करते हैं अंदर तक जाकर बैठकर।
नहीं ऐसा ही है, लेकिन ये कि भाई एक ये अच्छी बात है जब हम गोरों को देखते हैं ना कि वो इधर आके ट्रेन में सफ़र करते हैं, क्योंकि एक तो वो खुद भी इस चीज़ के क्योंकि काफ़ी एक मेजोरिटी वो दिखाते हैं इसमें एक उसकी वजह ये है कि उन्होंने भाई पूरी दुनिया घूमी होती है, लेकिन ये कि जब उन्होंने ये वंदे भारत में सफ़र किया ना तो वो एक वाकई उनका एक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस था। लेकिन एक चीज़ जो खाने वाली है ना वो थोड़ी डिफरेंट, क्योंकि पहले तो हम देखते थे कि खाना खुद देते थे, एक या उन्होंने शायद टिकट के साथ या कोई इस तरह या खुद उन्होंने बुक करवा लिया, ये कोई थोड़ा सीन एक नया देखने को मिला है। या एक चलो कोई ना
शायद टिकट में होता होगा ना तो उन्होंने नहीं लिया होगा, ये बोल सकते हैं, सस्ती ले ली होगी, ऐसा भी हो सकता है। कोई ना कोई
नहीं,
है
वे
reason।
एक ऑप्शन होता है ना अंदर, आप ले सकते हैं कुछ चीज़, अगर आपको एक्स्ट्रा भी लेना हो, काफ़ी एक ऑप्शन होते हैं। लेकिन काफ़ी ना यार ये एक जो भी हमने देखा ना, जब भी ये एक खास करके एक फॉरेन से आता है ना, वो काफ़ी एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ें दिखाते हैं, पॉजिटिव हैं भी और पॉजिटिव की तरफ जाना भी चाहिए। क्योंकि पहले वो एक गोरे होते तो उनका माइंड काफ़ी ना एक लो और एक पूर होता था माइंड। हमने वो जो मतलब के शो करते थे कि इंडिया अभी तक भी एक मतलब कि गरीब देश है, इधर कुछ भी नहीं पाया जाता, ऐसे व्लॉग बनाते थे। लेकिन अभी के दौर में भाई जो भी मतलब कि आता है ना, वो काफ़ी एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ें भी दिखाता है और काफ़ी देखकर भाई अच्छा एक लगता भी है।
नहीं बिल्कुल, बाकी भाई उन्होंने जिस तरह ये एक अच्छी उनकी चीज़ है कि वो चीज़ पूछ लेते हैं कि मतलब हमें कमेंट्स में बताएं, लेकिन वहाँ पे जो भाई एक लोग रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं ना इनको, वो बहुत एक प्यारा रिस्पॉन्स, और इनकी खूबी है कि हर कमेंट को एक मतलब आगे एक रिस्पॉन्स भी करते हैं, ताकि ज़ाहिर बात है एक नई चीज़ होती है, नई जगह होती है, अगर वहाँ के रहने वाले उनको बता दें तो वो उनके लिए भी ईजी हो जाता है। लेकिन भाई सफ़र उनका बहुत अच्छा था और एक काफ़ी उन्होंने इंजॉय किया। लेकिन जर्मनी से हैं ये और काफ़ी इनको जो है ना वो ट्रेन पसंद भी आई है भी अच्छी, नो डाउट। लेकिन ये कि एक उनको ज़ाहिर बात है, इन्होंने जिस तरह आप देख लो कि अपनी भी ट्रेनें वगैरह देखी होती हैं, लेकिन उनके मुंह से ये ज़रूर बात निकल जाती है कि भाई उनको यहाँ पे आके जो है ना वो काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल फील हो।
मुझे लगता है सेकंड टाइम है इनका।
हाँ पहले भी आए थे ना व्लॉग, काफ़ी इन्होंने अच्छे बनाए हैं। तो उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी। अगर पसंद आए वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह।